everyone. Welcome to Best Science Brain YouTube channel, the best tutorial channel you can ever get. Today we're going to look at NECO 2023 NECO 2023 examination, and it's for senior secondary school students. We're looking at today we're going to look at qualitative analysis, which involve tests for anions and cations. So today we are going to perform the experiment on the provided specimen, and then look at how we're going to deduce results, the cation and the anion present in the specimen given to us this year. Okay, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get our videos when they're uploaded. You can learn something new every day from this channel. So let's go to the questions. So the question says, C is a simple inorganic salt. Carry out the following exercises on C. Record your observations and corresponding inferences. Identify any gas or gas involved. The first question 2A says, add 5 cn³ of distilled water to C and stir thoroughly. So what I'm holding is sample C. So we're adding water to sample C. 5 cn³ we estimate to maybe perhaps half of the test tube. And then stir. So by stirring, we are testing the solubility of C in water. That may involve some shaking. It appears saturated, so I add a little water, more water to it. Stir more. You see that C dissolving gradually. The solution is becoming colorless. So depending on the temperature of the water of the solvent, C can dissolve instantly or may take a while to dissolve. But you see they are not remaining inside again. So C has dissolved completely in water to give a colorless solution. So you can see the report. C plus 5 cn³ of distilled water and stirred. Our observation, C dissolved completely in water to give a colorless solution. Our inference about C is a soluble salt. So go to the next question. So the B part says, test the resulting solution from 2A with litmus paper. Test the resulting solution from 2A with litmus paper. The solution from 2A is the one we did here. The one that is C aqueous with litmus paper. So these are C aqueous. We are trying to test it with red litmus. If it has no effect on red, then we use blue. Then effect, yes. Look at this part, look at this part and this part. So I change it to blue. So that means this solution is alkaline or basic. So there are no need to check again with or to test it again with blue litmus since it changed red to blue. So our report on the board, C aqueous. Remember that we are using the solution from here. So we will not use C again. Rather, we have to put aqueous on C, meaning solution of C plus litmus paper. Then here says solution turned red newspaper to blue and have no effect on blue newspaper, they will now say that C aqueous is alkaline or it says basic. Okay, the question C says add 5 Cn cube of barium chloride to the solution from 2A. Add 2 Cn cube of barium chloride to 2 Cn cube of solution from 2A. The solution from 2A is the one we added water, is C aqueous, the one added water. So let's go to the test now. So this is barium chloride, and it represents a little amount of C aqueous, that's the 2 Cn cube. So I'm adding this chemical into it. So you can see what happened. A white precipitate has been formed inside. You can see some solid inside. White precipitate formed. So question 2C, that is the report C aqueous, that is solution from 2A plus barium chloride aqueous, white precipitate formed. The anions likely present include carbonate ion, sulfite, that is trioxosulfate 4, SO4, trioxosulfate 6 or sulfate, and then sulfide ion present. So comma should be there, not and. It could be because it's one salt. So carbonate or trioxosulfate or trioxosulfate or sulfide ion present. So go to question D that says add 5 Cn cube of dilute HCl to the resulting mixture from 2C above. These are 2C, the one we added barium chloride. Add HCl to resulting mixture from 2C above and heat. So we should know whether we're adding HCl to the mixture from 2C or we're adding HNO3 to the mixture from 2C. We're going to have the same effect. Any acid will give you the same effect. It mustn't be HCl here. So this is the mixture from question 2C containing C aqueous and barium chloride, the white precipitate formed. We're going to add HCl into it. As observed, it's bubbling, a gas is coming out. We need to cover this and test for the gas. So we are heating this. The white precipitate which added HCl. And was that the gas was coming out? So we are now trying to boil more. We are passing the gas into lime water. The gas is coming out gradually. So the heating continues. You can see that the lime water end have turned in color. So that means the gas certified is CO2. So we see our report on 2D, mixture from 2C. The 2C is the C aqueous and barium chloride. That the white precipitate form plus So this is omitted here. Plus HCl. Dilute HCl. So look at the report 2D again. Let's come again. Mixture from 2C, that the white precipitate form, plus dilute HCl, then plus heat. Brisk effervescence, that gas liberation as we observed. Colorless and odorless gas, which turn lime water milky, evolved. Gas turned moist blue, litmus faint red. Precipitate dissolved to give a colorless solution. Gas is CO2, and then the anion there is triazole carbon 4 ion confirmed. Okay. Assuming we are asked to add HCl or any acid HNO3 to C. This is CR, that is dissolved in water. We have to add acid to C without adding barium chloride. Let's see what will happen. You see a gas is coming out ever since. So the same effect, the same thing we saw when we added barium chloride and HCl. So the gas that came out is also the same CO2. So we add HCl or HNO3 to Cr+. Our report will be Cr+ plus HCl or plus HNO3. You don't even need to heat. Observation, brisk effervescence occurred, colorless and odorless gas, we turned moist red, whisper blue, and lime water milky. The inference the same as we have on the board. Gas is CO2, and then CO3 minus confirmed. So we have come to the end of this practical alternative to that is NECO practical qualitative analysis on specimen C. So we have the results. We can go through it, and be a teacher, you can still perform it, and you observe the same thing. You have the same observation and the same inference. If you're a student, you can still be at home, play it and understand it, so that when you go to the hall, it will become easy for you to repeat. So stay tuned to this YouTube channel. We're offering you the best. Stay connected. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. Refer your friends to the channel. Let them subscribe to the channel. That's the best thing that will ever happen to you. And then if you're undergraduate, we still have packages for you. Not only practical packages, we also have tutorial packages for you. Then for the holiday program, we're also going to have our packages, practical, both in chemistry and physics, for the holiday program for students that in Sunday school that are going for holiday this July, August. So stay connected always to this YouTube channel. And as I say, if you want to reach us, you can still search us on Facebook. On Facebook, our Facebook channel is Facebook page is Best Science Brain also. So go to Facebook, search us Best Science Brain. You see it on Facebook. Then you can inbox any question or any message or any information to us. So stay connected. Thank you and good luck.